How do you get monetized on Facebook? Facebook now uses the content monetization program, and here's how to qualify and start earning in 2026. So, step one, meet the requirements. You need at least 10,000 followers, 600,000 minutes viewed in the last 60 days, and 5 active videos. Your account must follow Facebook's community standards and partner monetization policies. Step 2, check eligibility in your professional dashboard. Go to monetization eligibility to see if you qualify. Step 3, apply for monetization. Facebook will review your page or profile, and once approved, ads will run on your reels, videos, and posts. Step 4, if you already have 20,000 plus followers on Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok, you may qualify faster through Creator Fast Track. Risks include copyright violation, reuse content, or engagement baiting. These can block monetization, and active posting or low originality also disqualify accounts. So, Facebook monetization rewards consistent original creators. Meet the requirements, apply in your dashboard, and start earning today.